Hey everyone, today we're checking out Seafile. This is a self-hosted file syncing and sharing tool that's all about privacy and control. Let's dive into what it offers and how it stacks up against the competition. Seafile is an open source platform you can run on your own server. It's perfect for syncing files across devices like your phone, laptop, or desktop and sharing them with others. Think of it as your personal cloud where you can decide where your data lives. It's got fast syncing, strong encryption, and team-friendly features like real-time document editing and version control. Here's what stands out. It works on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. You can encrypt your files for security, pick which folders to sync, and collaborate with your team, all while keeping everything on your own server. It's lightweight and speedy, which is great if you're managing your own setup. So, how does Seafile compare? Against something like Nextcloud, Seafile's faster and simpler for syncing, but Nextcloud has more extras like calendars and app integrations. Against Dropbox or Google Drive, Seafile gives you way more privacy since it's self-hosted, though it's not as plug-and-play. Against OwnCloud, another competitor, Seafile is more efficient and modern, while OwnCloud feels a bit outdated. Bottom line, pick Seafile if you want a fast, secure, do-it-yourself cloud for you and your team. That's it for our quick review. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe.